Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. Hope we are live as well. Uh, yeah. Let me check if we are live, and then we will go straight away toward the charts. Just give me a second, guys. Yep, we are live. Sorry, guys. Hope you guys can hear me. We'll be going straight away toward the charts to understand certain levels. This is 1 minute time frame chart, by the way. It's a 4:41 right now in the New York time, and it's 9:41 on London time. So if you watch out, guys. I hope you guys can hear me. Yeah. So yeah. So this is 1 minute time frame chart, by the way. 4:42 right now in the New York time, and 9:42 on in the London time, and New York stock market indices usually close at 4:30, 5:30 sometimes. So it's not. I think it's a 5:30, 5:30. It's like that. So it's the last hour going on in a stock market. So this is the element of time which is very important to understand, and to watch out what day we are in, what month we are in. It's July, 7th of July, second week of July is going on. Summer is mostly bullish on Bitcoin, and we have seen that. And overall, we should have to anticipate or expect from the market to be bullish toward upside from here. This is the initial anticipation, just on bigger picture time frame, and um, we'll go to just quickly on 1 minute time frame. We are watching and observing the charts. If we just zoom out a little bit, we have been going down toward low levels, and this was more of like Sunday price action bullish market gone all the way toward the upside from 4 hour time frame fairly gap, and this was more of like daily upper level as well. This was late in a Sunday, like Sunday 14 16 in the New York time. It was more of like 8 or 9 o'clock in the night. In the Sunday, market went from here all the way to knock all of those local highs, and then to this level as well. I've been watching this chart, by the way. At that point, we highlighted this 15-minute time frame fairly gap. Market just wigged into that and went toward up. We did not trade this one, and yeah, it went all the way toward upside from here, if we can say like that. And for the other possibilities, which is what I wanted to discuss right now. After that, it has been more of like very difficult to trade. This is difficult to trade. Went toward upside, difficult to trade, and then the Sunday remains like that. And now in the Monday, early in the morning Monday as well, it has been going down. This green line was a 4 hour time fairly gap, and this gray area is a daily fairly gap as well on the charts. Overall, we're bullish. If you watch out on bigger picture time frame, overall we are bullish. Like this is more of like bigger picture time frame. We have created this low, bounce toward upper side, just come down last week, come down this range, and then bounce toward upper side. And then we are trading very close to the previous all-time high from here. Definitely everyone is bullish. Market should have to go toward upper side from here. Like technically speaking, if we're watching the structure, the way it has knocked those lows weekly fair value gap, gone up, make a retest. Now again failed to go to the upper side from here, but still we have still all of those highs in play. That is the reason for the market to be bullish on bigger picture time frame. And this is the daily fair value gap we're trading inside. So technically speaking, we should have to be bullish from here, try to go to the upper side to all-time high. This is the more of like first probability and the possibility we should anticipate or expect from the market to play it out on bigger picture time frame, if you can see like that. And yeah, it is possible that this is what I was thinking about for a whole day. Like for bullish case scenarios, like if we close at this range, I would anticipate that it should not knock Sunday and Saturday low, just go down a little bit and then try to be bullish. This is what I was anticipating initially for today's candle. But I was like, it should not have to knock this low still, but it has come down, knocked the Sunday and Saturday low. Still we're bullish, we're trading inside this daily fair value gap, and I am anticipating that tomorrow I would anticipate or expect from the market it should have to close at 50% or maybe upper level, and then this low should be in, this low should be in, should not be knocked off, should not be knocked off. This is daily fair value gap from upper level of the range and 50% of the range. It should have to be bullish, try to knock all of those previous highs and all-time high as well from here. This is what I would anticipate on bigger picture time frame to perform from tomorrow. And tomorrow price action, I would anticipate that it should have to do this. But the other possibility is there are quite a bit of possibilities that may play it out in this trading environment where we're trading at right now. We'll discuss that as well. Further, this is a range we have been trading inside, and we are trading close to value area high of the range as well. Possible that market may come down inside this value area high of the range and then be bearish to point of control, maybe value area low of the range as well. This is also possible. For now, I have just discussed with you a bullish case scenario that may play it out, which was this one. And technically speaking, oh sorry guys. So technically speaking, we are anticipating or expecting for the market to do what? To be bullish from here. First probability to be bullish from here, try to go to the upper side. It is possible. It will be great if market did not knock today's low, yeah, this low, which is Friday's low, and then left those lows not to be knocked off open, just go down a little bit and then try to be bullish toward upper side from here. This is what it is I would anticipate or expect from the market to do in for the bullish case scenario. For the bearish case scenario right now, I wanted to discuss, which is very important right now, and I am leaning more for like that as well on the price action. The first thing is right now, if we watch chart, we're bullish. Technically speaking, we're bullish. Everybody knew market is bullish. We are trading very close to all-time high. All of the retail traders, everybody will be looking to buy toward upper side from here to all-time high. Everybody will be doing that. And I have seen most of the time I have seen that smart money knew that everybody is bullish right now, looking for the high, new all-time high, new all-time high. You watch every YouTuber video, everybody's saying that, oh, new all-time high is coming up toward 3,000 less than new all-time high. Market will be going to 150k, 120k. Everybody's bullish on price action right now, and smart money knew that. 80% of the people I think is bullish right now, and smart money knew that in that case scenario, because we are trading at the value you have the range, smart money may send the price toward low levels from here. We're trading inside the value you have the range from here, and maybe market close inside this value high of the range. Tomorrow market open, just go up a little bit, show rejection from this daily value gap, maybe 50% of the range, then be bearish as well for these lows. There we have point of control of this range at here, and all the way to this value area low of the range as well from here. We can anticipate or predict that this major move downward side on a projection, we cannot deny that it is also possible right now where the level we're trading at right now. And considering the fact that smart money knew we're bullish, that's why they will send the price toward low levels. Retail trade is bullish, and then they will send the price toward low levels from here. If it go down from here, it will be likely it will break the point of control of the range and will be going all the way to this value area low of the range as well from here. And then we can stay inside this, range for quite a bit of months, maybe this month or maybe next month as well, then maybe September as well. And we have seen that October, November, December, January as well. A couple of few months we can stay inside this range, possible. And then last quarter of the this year, we know that market has been terrible bullish, and then we stayed inside this range for a couple of months, September up till September as well, October, November, December, or maybe January market is bullish. This is more of a like probability may played out. This is more of like a very hard time analysis. Like I have prediction, I've done the prediction on like May played out right now. First possibility, we are anticipating bullish from price action from here, but for example, if it has to go to a downward side from here, this is also very important. Like we have just discussed right now, it should not have to go below this low. If it has to go up, if it went down below this low, today's low, we'll be leaning more of like bearish, looking for the point of control of the range and maybe value of the range as well from here. For example, if it is possible that if for example it has to go down from here, this is the high. After that, we have these highs. This is the daily high as well. It should have to left those highs not to be knocked off. Show no intent to go above those highs. Should have to open, just go up a little bit, maybe monthly high, show rejection. This is the upper level of the daily favorite gap, show rejection. Then go down from here toward low levels. Or it is possible that it did not need to create high very close to those levels, or maybe all of a sudden roll down from here toward low levels. This is the also possible as well. This chart is taking some time. Yeah, this is the probability as well that may played out on charts. Because it is going down, this is more of like downward side price action. Very slow, very choppy, but still we're going toward downward side. It is possible that we could be continue to be, because we are already going down, trading inside this daily favorite gap. We cannot deny the fact that market could roll over from here as well. We have left those highs in play, local highs on play, and then from here it could roll down all the way to those lows. And then the point of control of the range is, I wanted to know where is the point of control of the range from here. It is around about at 105 200. 105 200, it could go all the way to these ranges as well. These ranges possible. So these are the things right now we are anticipating or are expecting from the market to played out on bigger picture time frame. If you go to 4-hour time frame, try to consider some confluence on and charts right now. There's nothing on a chart on 4-hour time frame at right now. If you discuss, if you can say like that, this is a 4-hour time frame gap. We don't need to highlight that. I have highlighted 4-hour time frame gap in here. This chart here. This is a 4-hour time frame. For these green lines are the 4-hour time frame fairly gap. We have highlighted these as well on here. Let's see from there. This one we have on here as well. So this is a 4-hour time frame fairly gap as well. We have highlighted just because we are trading inside this range. That's why. And we have this daily low as well, which is this low. These two lows, Saturday and Sunday low, which is important to highlight as well. Maybe for the bullish case scenario, market try to hold this area and then try to be bullish as well. Maybe just going down, show rejection from daily low and then coming back down as well toward low levels. This is also possible. We cannot deny that. So these are the levels I am watching and observing right now. And on shorter term time frame, 4-hour time frame, for the bearish case scenario, this low is a today's low as well. And this low is a Friday low. This is a Friday low, and this is today's low on the charts. This is, for example, I just discussed with you on big picture time frame. You should not have to go below this low, not have to go below this low. From here, you have to go up, hold, go all the way, maybe upper side, make a comeback, retest and hold this 4-hour time fairly gap, and then from this range, it should have to create local bottom and then try to be bullish, try to knock all of those highs. for the bullish case scenario. There is no denying about that, which is possible. For the bearish case scenario, it is also possible that there is no denying about that, because this is the high on bigger picture time frame, this is the high on bigger picture time frame. This is the high, this is the high on bigger picture time frame. We should not have to knock all of these two highs. If you watch out, market, the weight has gone down from here toward low levels. If it has to go down from here, it is not like really market may not go above those highs. If it come back up, remain sideways and try to hold this area, then we will anticipate from the market to be bullish. But if it has to go toward downward side from here, just have to go to the upper side, show rejection, and then continue to be bearish toward low levels from here. This is what it is like I would anticipate or expect from the market to perform how it should have. If it has to go down, just go up a little bit and then continue to be bearish. If it go up, continue to hold this area, remain sideways, then we will be leaning bullish toward upper side from here. This is what it is that we will watch and observe the charts. And the other thing I really wanted to discuss right now, maybe the third possibility is bigger picture time frame is, if you watch out on news, we have no assets this week, a big news on our charts. Tuesday we have no news. Wednesday we have 7 p.m. FOMC minus. Thursday we have unemployment clear, which is not a very good like big news. They are not a big news. And next week we'll have interest rate decision, CPI, PPI. So we have CPI, PPI next week. There will be huge volatility next week. So this week, possible that market could completely remain inside this daily fair value gap, and this is the high. Create lows very close to each other at this point. Create a high very close to each other at this point. Remain inside this level as well, and we will see from here it, because we will be bullish. We will look for the market to go to the upper side, but it could roll down as well from here toward low levels. Uh, this is how it is. We are watching and observing the charts that may played out on certain levels. Yeah, this is more of like, I mean, a concern that is also a possibility. We cannot deny this, because if you watch out like today's morning session in the New York Times, I was already anticipating initially that today's morning session, it will be more of a like market may do nothing, because Monday I have seen, and because the reason is I was like watching, I was like, I saw the news, I was like, there's no news on charts, and then we could be highly likely it is not going to be, maybe I think so that maybe this like today's daily price action will be not a very much ideal trading day in a New York session. The reason is it was Monday. There's no news on charts in here. There will be no assets volatility on a market. Market may has to prepare itself for tomorrow or maybe Wednesday price action. So this is the start of the week, so we can anticipate this kind of downward side or sideways price action from the market. And the same thing we have watched in on a price action in here as well. Market open at this range 930 roundabout. It was already going down, by the way, from here. Definitely we was trading at upward level of this daily fair value gap. This is 50% of the range. Overall we're bullish. We should have to look for the market to be bullish toward upper side. Going up, rejection from 4 out of fair value gap, come back down. 50% of the range, again bounce from here toward upper side. Fail to go to the upper side again, come back down. Very choppy, very sideways, come back down. Show rejection 50% of the, then go down. Go up, go down. This is not an ideal trading environment, by the way. Market did not go in any either direction, in either upper side or downward side. To remain inside this daily fair value gap and remain more of like upper side or downward side. Yeah, it remained like that. So it continued to be like that, to remain more of like in that kind of price action. We have seen that. Not ideal trading environment. Yes, you could have done quick scalp, but with a very careful. In those days, like these are the days like you have to predict before, like it will do like this, and then if you knew, and we watch the price action, watch out the price action after the opening, sit still, watch and observe, do the anticipation. At this range we were bullish, but it went down. Let's see, from here we are looking for the market to go down, but from here it is bounced to go a little bit plus you got to know it's not a very ideal trading environment. If I go for any trade, it will be very small trade, it will be a quick scalp trade. I'll be very honest, or I'll be very quick to close my position as early as possible these kind of days. So I did not think so like today was ideal trading day. You can say that at this point this was 50% of the range. Market has created a high. It was already going down from here toward low levels. From here, you can anticipate from the market to go down from here, but it's difficult to trade. You don't know what will be your stop loss. If you watch this price action, you don't know what is your will be your stop loss. That's why in these kind of days, sit still, watch, observe, understand all of those price action from the market. So these are the things I really wanted to discuss with you guys. We have to discuss with you, and that's how it is. I hope you guys get to learn something. Yeah, and yeah, and yeah, this is the thing. Yeah, I think the market will be remaining from completely sideways from here. Yeah, and yeah, it could go anywhere from here. We don't know. Yeah, we're just watching and observing the charts right now. At this point, like I was like, could have been a course short, but you don't know. Like, what? Where would you put your stop loss at this point? You don't know if you want to go for it, and then all of a sudden the market went down. You can't trade in here. You can't trade in here short. You can't trade to buy as well in here. You don't know from here. Market has to be continue to be bearish and then be bullish. If high is this one, you don't know. The only thing you can got to know, maybe look for trade to go for a short, is as it is going down already. Look for a short, but very careful of putting a stop loss very tight, and then very small size. Got stopped out. Never trade again. Yeah, this is how it is. So yeah, we are learning. We are understanding, trying to understand the market, trying to be remain focused, trying to achieve my goal. And this is my goal. My goal is to take a good 2 or 3 trades, to find a good 2 or 3 trades in this week. So I'll be focusing mainly on that, to find a good 2 or 3 trades on a charts, and we will see which way it could go from here. This is how it is. I wanted to discuss with you guys, and this is yeah, and we have discussed everything, I think so, guys, on bigger picture time frame, shorter term time frame as well. And yeah, we'll see. We're watching and observing the charts. I have my alerts on. So right now, this is bigger picture time frame low as well. We are anticipating market should not have to go below this low. This green line is a 4 hour fairly gap. I was at this point, I was just anticipating this is a 50% of the daily fairly gap. Just try to hold this level and then be bullish, but it has come down from here. This is a green line, lower level of the 4 hour fairly gap. Now I am anticipating that it should have to hold this area and then try to be bullish from or go above from 50% of the range, hold this area, and then be continue to be bullish from here. This is what it is. We are watching and observing, and yeah. And if you watch out for bearish case scenario, because we're still trending more of like bearish. This is previous high. Maybe this could be the previous high as well. Maybe just market show rejection and continue to create low high and then be bearish as well. for those lows. Maybe low level of the, maybe it could remain sideways at this range, credit low very close to these lows, this kind of price action, and then all of a sudden like went down from here, or maybe knock the highs and then go down as well, all the way toward low levels. This is how it is. I'm watching and observing the charts. We're watching and observing the charts. We're anticipating or predicting the charts. And yeah, this is the day. I think so. I will not even watch out the price action right now. Like on 1 minute time frame, no. We have understand. We try to understand the market on bigger picture time frame. Uh, yeah. So 108 200 we have alerts on, and then we have 107 800 approximately. Yeah. 107 700 we have this as well on charts. So yeah, this is how it is. I hope you guys get to know what I'm trying to convey you, and then you may not misconstrue me of whatever I say. And sometimes it is very too much conundrum to the fact that there are too many possibilities, too many probabilities that may play it out. In that case scenario, you watch, you observe, you sit still until unless you get to know at some point, yeah, this is how it is, like market is actually wants to go. You'll get to know by watching and observing the charts, keeping an eye on a chart and sitting still automatically which way it wants to go. Most of the time it will be like that, and that's how it is. And the last thing, like it is very important to not to have a infantile mindset on trading. You cannot afford to do that. You should have to be like very cautious, very disciplined, very disciplined, or especially disciplined on your risk management. Trade, first trade got stopped out, 50% less next trade. Try not to trade. If you're a beginner, never trade. I'm trying my best. Like if I go stopped out, I'm very. This is what I'm learning right now as well. Like I do not want to trade next to do second trade for that day, at least for that session. Got stopped out initially, and yeah, very important to have a discipline on your risk management and your strategies. Your anticipation may be wrong, possible, but always this is what it is. Always on certain levels on a price action, we should also always have to think like what smart money would be doing right now and what retail trader would be doing right now. That's why I think so footprint chart is important to have on, keep an eye on, to know that who's is aggressive right now at the moment on certain levels with the buyers or the sellers. If buyers is aggressive, they are retail traders. Smart money will sell toward low levels. They trade opposite. So it is very important to that to have to keep an eye on that as well. And this is what I'm trying to learn that as well in my trading. Footprint charts, very important. Open interest, CVD divergences, and yeah, these are important things. Should have to keep an eye on. I think so. Yeah. Well, these are the paid. There are some paid footprint charts. They do. I may buy a subscription for 1 month. We'll see how it goes. So, well, that's how it is, guys. And hope we learn something. I hope you have I hope you have an amazing day. And I have to go for sleep. I have been not into proper sleep for like 2 3 days. I've been working morning, night, morning, night, morning, night, 3 days, 4 days. And yeah, I've been working morning. Just come back from job, and then I have to sleep. I wake up early as well. We'll try to wake up at which is it is 10. I'll try to wake up at 4 past 4. And then we will go for say prayer. I will say prayer and then go for gym early in the morning. And we'll start our normal day. Tomorrow I have off. I have 2 3 days off from my job. So yeah, I have to go to job on Friday until unless there's some emergency. And yeah, we'll see. how it goes. So this is my main goal. Is this is what it is. I'm in my mind like going on, bro. You have to remain focused on your goals, which you have to achieve this week. Like these are the specific things I have to do, and you have to do this, and like keep on repeating in your mind like this is, bro, remain focused. This is what you have to do. This is what you have to do. Daily task, weekly task, all of those other things. Video editing skills. Try to improve your live stream. Try to improve everything. So yeah, sometimes we are distracted. Yeah, I've been distracted this first 2 3 weeks last month. First week I think so I was fine. I was working on my goals, daily goals. Was not distracted. All of a sudden I got distracted. Forgot my weekly goals. I was doing something on daily time frame as well, daily, every day as well, but I was not focused. Then this month we could come back, and then this is a month. This is very important month for me. I really wanted to this week. I really wanted to be more consistent, consistently making money from trading. This is my goal right now. Like it's been 1 month. My goal was to 3 months to make consistently trade 3 to 4 times in a week, positive trades. Yeah, this is what is I'm looking for, and consistently three to four good, solid, logical trades on in a 1 week, consistently. This is the goal right now for me, and yeah, money is not the goal. And this is first month I've done nothing. I got stopped out a couple of trades, three, four, five trades. Yeah, not trade. I'm not trading too much as well on my real account. Yeah, I've got stopped out twice in a one day. After that, there was a two or three couple of break-even trades as well, and then we did not lose too much, by the way. After losing like four, five, six trades, I did not really lose too much, which is good. So there's always setback. There's always a chance to come back stronger. So this is what it is I wanted to do right now. So I hope you guys can learn something. We have to do a quick shot, and then I will go for sleep early. Then I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, we will see you guys tomorrow. From UK, bro. I'm from UK. Thank God, like, I got a comment. Mm, 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 mm. So yeah, yeah. We have to end this live stream, guys. It is a good 30 minutes, by the way. We have a good time. We had a good time. I really enjoy that. And then I have a couple of things I really have to do for my live stream as well. I really want to add music or tunes on jazz because it is very boring like that. Very boring. And after that, I will be trying to put some sort of camera and a green screen, all that as well. And yeah, that's how it is. I hope you got to learn something. Just still watch, observe the charts, which is very important. Tomorrow, I'm anticipating this week. I'm anticipating sideways per second for the market. Initial anticipation will be for me to be bullish, to go to the upper side. Will be very careful. It could be going down as well. Could be remaining sideways as well. Quite a bit of possibility that may play out on charts tomorrow, and we'll see. We'll watch, observe the charts. Sit still. Sitting still is very important. Not to push the buttons, very important. And then if you got stopped out, it's fine. Like it's fine as long as you're not losing too much. Come back tomorrow again. At least do not trade for that session. This is what I've made like blunders. Sometimes as well, sometimes now as well, I make this kind of mistake, but try not to trade for at least that day. Just try to observe and watch the price action. So this is how it is. I hope you got to learn something, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. and we'll be doing live stream tomorrow around about 2 o'clock in the London time. It will be 9 o'clock in the New York in 9 o'clock in the New York time. And see you guys tomorrow. Bye.